Okay. Hi dear students, today we are going to study English in this period. Before starting the lesson, I would like to advise you that you should follow the instructions given by government in order to save you and nation since we are facing COVID-19. It is a very dangerous global epidemic and whole of the world is facing from it. And now all of you open your book and see lesson number 1, My Struggle for an Education, written by Booker T. Washington. Now see about the lesson. Booker T. Washington, as a boy, worked in a coal mine in Malden. He overheard two miners talking about a great school for colored people. The school seemed to him to be the greatest place on the earth and more attractive than even heaven. He faced a lot of difficulties and ultimately succeeded in getting admission in the institution. The lesson inspires us that we should not be deterred by any odd difficulties and hurdles that may come in our way of realizing ambition. Adversities of life are like a doctor's pills, which are bitter in taste but sweet in its effect. Now try to understand here, dear friends. In this lesson, the writer has described about the difficulties which he faced to get his aim. He is telling that he was working in a coal mine. The coal miners were talking about a great institution famous for colored people, and the name of that institution was Normal Hampton Institute. When the writer heard by the coal miners, he became very happy and he decided to get his admission in that institution. For this, he had to face a lot of problems to reach there. Lastly, he faced all the problems and he succeeded in his aim to get admission in that institution. So this lesson inspires us that we should not be deviate from our path, our way, if difficulties come in our life. We should face the difficulties. Now, all of you see the paragraph, important passage of this lesson. See in a book, the first sight of large three-story brick school building seemed to have rewarded me for the that I had undergone in order to reach the place. The sight of it seemed to give me new life. Now try to understand here. Here in this paragraph, in this paragraph, the writer wants to tell about his feelings when he saw the Normal Hampton Institute. When he reached that institute, he saw that the building of the school was very large. It was a three-story school building and the building was made of brick. That building was very attractive, and when he saw that attractive building, his heart filled with joy because he wanted to get admission in that institution. He faced a lot of problems. He covered very long distance to reach there. He had not enough money. He had not enough clothing. He had not enough food to eat. But facing so many difficulties, he reached there. So first of all, when he saw the school building, he became very happy. He thought that he has got reward. It was a kind of reward for him, whatever he faced, whatever he troubled, and he forgot all the difficulties which he faced to reach there. In this way, his heart filled with joy and pleasure, and he became satisfied, thinking that he would get admission in that institution. Surely, he tried his best and he succeeded there. At last, I want to tell you how you write down the reference, context, and explanation. Now, reference you write down. This passage has been taken from the lesson My Struggle for an Education, written by Booker T. Washington. Now, as a context, you will write down. In these lines, the writer describes about his feelings when he saw the school building first of all. Now, explanation. In the given passage, the writer describes about his journey and his feelings when he reached at Normal Agricultural Institute. When the writer reached there, he was very much tired, but when he saw the school building, first of all, he became very happy. His heart was filled with pleasure. He saw that it was a very big building. It was three-story building, and it was very attractive. He thought that he would get admission in that institution surely, and he will study there. In this way, a great courage came in his heart, and his heart was filled with happiness. In this way, with new courage and pleasure, he thought to continue his study in that institution, for which he tried the best. At last, I give you homework, and as a homework for practice, you are advised to learn the meaning of the difficult words, as difficult words of this paragraph are sight. Sight means seen, view. To give me new life means his heart was filled with great courage and pleasure. Now, undergone. Undergone is he suffered a lot of problems, trouble. He troubled. He faced difficulties. He suffered, and you are advised to read the paragraph 2 or 3 times and try to explain yourself. Now, thank you.